Hello, sorry you can't see me. My name's Laura, and I'm here to present the behind the scenes of the Kane Creek Development Petition. I'm a Mod 2 student, and our original assignment was to build out a static comp to practice HTML and CSS skills. I got permission to go off the rails a little bit to work on this passion project instead. And the idea behind this project was basically to provide the Moab community a platform to express their concerns about a specific development happening in town. I thought it could also be used as a tool to gather contact information for organizing efforts, and then also give evidence of the overwhelming opposition to the development. So here's what I built. You can tell I was having fun with the cursor, and we've got some little highlight features. And this is actually a link to a website with more information. The user is able to select whether or not they're a resident of Grand County, and then it takes them to a form where they can enter in their information and comment. I think I would be biting off a little bit more than I could chew if I tried to make this form fully functional. It would also be a major bummer if it broke, so I decided to use our trusty Google Forms instead and ask various questions, contact information, level of concern, if they're willing to share their responses publicly or anonymously, if they're interested in volunteering, and if they're interested in email updates. So what's nice about Google Forms is that it gives you an Excel file, and with that we can put it into a project and do some really cool things with it. Basically, this code turns the Excel file into a JSON format so we can iterate through everything and then organize different types of signatures and email lists. We were separating locals from visitors so that we could get an understanding of what the specific community concerns were. And we also wanted to hand a physical copy to our locally elected officials here in Grand County. And I keep saying we because I worked with volunteers, but I wrote all this code. Sweet. So yeah, we've got some console logs here to give us some quick numbers in the terminal down here. And then we also have some functions creating text files, which were really helpful. This lengthy function here basically filters resident comments and replaces their name with anonymous if that's what they chose. It also interpolates the data into a string pretty much, and then formats it nicely into a text file, which was awesome just to be able to copy and paste and hand to our elected officials. So if we uncomment these functions, boom, 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 and run it again, you can see those text files pop up right here in our project directory. So if we go to resident comments, you can see all of these comments. It's super easy to copy and paste and throw into a Word document. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm really thankful my instructors gave me permission to do this, because this was a really important piece of the puzzle in our organizing efforts. There's a handful of volunteers in town here that we've formed an unofficial group called Kane Creek Development Watch. You can find us on Instagram and ways to donate to the cause. More information at savemoab.org. Thank you and have a good day.